Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Thereturnable. I just want to say thank you for everybody who subscribe my YouTube channel, and thank you for like, share and thumb up my video. Okay, I just come to tell you about the guava paste. Okay, it's really good for a lot of things, and if you want to know more, you can go to Google and do your research. But myself, I'm going to tell you why I use it for. They got some of the health issue you can't use it for, but they don't add it on Google. Okay, guys. So I used to have diabetes. I used to take pills and insulin at the same time. So I used to take a little bit portion on that guava paste every 2 days. Every 2 days, I take a little bit every 2 days. And after that, I give to my daughter. I think she used to be just like 2 or 3 years old. She had a terrible, diarrhea on her belly, and then I keep go by her I forget the water you buy on CVS or different place to help her with her belly, and nothing work. And I call my aunt. My aunt, she's 80 years old, going to a little bit more. And then she told me, why you don't go buy yourself some guava paste, or if you have it at home, give her a little bit of the guava paste. And I did give her a little bit on guava paste, and then after that, guys, she's feeling better. The diarrhea stopped and everything stopped. So since I come to you all the time, give you natural medicine, and I say, okay, let me share that with you. Okay, so I'm not a doctor, but if I'm using something is good for me, and I come and share with you. Okay, guys, so you can go and do your research to see if you have a health issue, if that's good for you. And also I do a cake with the guava paste. Guys, it's delicious. So one day when I have time, and I will come and make make a guava cake for you guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching. And I posted I can say I'm going to post a couple video um by this week, and next week I'm going to post a little bit because I got some family. My sister passed away in Haiti, so I cannot make no video. I want a little bit time for myself, but I will take care of you guys. Don't worry about it. I love you guys a lot. Bye bye.